I'm stressed. Are you stressed? Because I'm stressed.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday bed.
Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a pamper routine video with us. Just us relaxing and preparing for school. We've been having spring break. It's been great. Mia was already in Florida. And this video is sponsored by DEWYCELL. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I am super excited to just show you guys how the mask works. And we are going to unwind with DEWYCELL face mask. I'm stressed. Are you stressed? Because I'm stressed. So the first step of pampering, in my opinion, is putting on a face mask. It's so cliche, but like, me and Mia are gonna put on some face masks and talk about our life problems.
I have states this week. For those of y'all who don't know, who aren't gymnasts, that's like the holy grand, like the big thing of the season. I have to do a freaking back handspring on it. Like, I didn't agree to that, actually. I did.
We're gonna start with these sheets, and this is to exfoliate our face before the mask. DEWYCELL face masks come with this great plant called Edelweiss that helps your skin.
Hi, Ellie.
Hi!
Sashua and Lee are here.
What does it do?
It's for your skin. It's a face mask. It improves your skin. Edelweiss gives you bright skin that is firm and not all saggy. We don't want to age, you know? At this young stage, you don't even want to start aging. So this is going to be great for our skin.
I need this. My skin is so crusty.
The instructions were to lightly exfoliate our face before the mask. I look like a beautiful boy today. One of our friends from school said it's really unattractive when girls say that they're ugly.
We look like beautiful little boys.
A lot of times I say that I look like a boy and people might take it negative, but I look like a beautiful boy. Oh, this feels so nice and refreshing.
I agree.
And it smells great.
So my phone's a little cracked.
First we need to apply the top mask. It's a little hard to separate. Oh my gosh. People are gonna click off right when they see it. And this product is actually for weekly use. So you only need to spend like 15 minutes using this every single week. You will have great skin for the rest of the 7 days. Honestly, I think that taking 15 minutes of your time to do this is really worth it in the long run. I don't even want to put this on the internet at this point. It doesn't look great, but it feels great.
Are you using the mask?
Yeah. So this is the face mask for like your jaw. My jaw is like oddly very rough. I can't breathe. Am I doing this right? I don't think I'm doing this right.
Oh, I did it.
Is this correct? It smells like my doctor's office, which I kind of really like.
Oh my god. So slimy. I'm scared.
I can't wait to see what my skin feels like after this.
Oh no.
Honey, you're supposed to put the first one on before that one. I can't breathe. Oh my god.
I'm just more stressed than I was before.
It doesn't matter if you look ugly, you'll look pretty in the end.
Hey, we don't call ourselves ugly.
Oh my god. I'd actually wear this to school if you paid me.
Why should we do a video that wearing face masks to school for a week and seeing people still talk to us?
God, that's such a good idea. That do so well. I think we should talk about our issues.
Here you go.
I feel like no one can take me seriously while I'm wearing this.
Yeah, same. What am I gonna wait till after?
Yeah.
I need some nail clipper to master. Sorry, I'm joking.
Kiss me, say that you miss me. Oh my gosh. I feel like a newborn baby. I feel like I just came out of the womb. I actually really like this.
Annie, we just came out of the womb. Who's freaking coming? I don't care about you. That was my mom. Whoops, sorry.
I feel like this product is that perfect thing to use once a week. It's kind of just, like you should use it every Sunday. Today's a Sunday. Kind of just to get your skin ready for the whole entire week. Because I just feel so refreshed.
Tip?
I swear, if you break the shower.
Another tip.
This is how people get hurt at home.
Fly away.
Your mom called me. She said they need you to be home for dinner.
I'll see you on Monday.
Do you have your helmet?
Michael Long. Hi guys.
Hello. Hello.
This is Leif.
What's up, Annie Longs?
This is Sasha. He's
Indian.
I was gonna say he's weird, but that too. This is Michael. Michael is my best friend. I love Michael. He's actually my brother, by the way. Oh wait, this is the what is it called at the end? I watched this. That weird like Marvel movie.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Have a great pamper day, boys. Since I have school tomorrow, I kind of have to get back into my little school mode. So my backpack has been in my closet for the past week. I honestly forgot about this thing. My Chromebook is here. We're gonna charge it. Plug, and it's charging.
Thinking of you, thinking of you. Thinking of
I'm literally in my sister's bed right now. Don't tell her. Well, my bathtub is actually broken, so I can't take a bath. I can take showers, but I can't take baths. So I can't really pamper with my bath bomb, but I'm gonna pamper with some music and Netflix. Recently, I've been getting back into Netflix and watching Glee. Glee has been one of my favorite shows forever. I've watched it 3 times, but it's my 4th time watching it. Every kid or teenager should watch it. Teaches you a lot about acceptance and being who you are, and I just love it so much. I think I'm just gonna brush my teeth and do stuff while listening to my favorite Spotify jams. I'll leave my Spotify account down below. Such a perfect day.
Be sipping on some sweet iced tea.
So I'm gonna need to get all these products off my bed before I unwind here. And thanks DEWYCELL for sending me these extra products. I will definitely be checking them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I was really happy to be able to relax and pamper tonight, and thank you so much for DEWYCELL for partnering with me in this video and also helping me relax and rewind. This video was a shorty but a goodie. If you guys want me to do a I wore a face mask to school for a week video, let's get this video to 300 thumbs up. DEWYCELL's links will be in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next one.